Another summer day, it's come and gone away.
It's going right.
I was in Rome, but I wanna go home. Be surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone, and I wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. Fine, baby, how are you? I would send them back, I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more.
Another airplane, another song that plays. I am lucky, I know, 'cause I am in Baguio. Okay, make some noise, baby, say it. I am in Baguio. Let me go home. Well, I'm just too far from where you are. I just wanna go home.
And I feel just like I'm leaving. Someone else's life.
It's like they just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me, 'cause this was not your dream, but you always believe in me.
Another winter day has come and gone away, in even Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. Go Romeo.
Let me go home with you, my darling, and it'll all be alright. Does any one of you there wants to come home with me tonight? Please, you know where my room number and my what number is again? Third floor.
Third floor, room number 1.
Room number 1.
Bae
Oh, Bae Corde, pala po natin yung sponsor pala namin ng hotel, Bae Corde. Here's a one go.